Hi Sajis, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of April 5th to 11th. I have been requested for more of love readings than of career and finance, but if I see something, I will point it out. Also, these are general reading, might not resonate with each one of you. Come back to uh, see it later because time is fluid and future, the predictions are of the future. Future might not be just tomorrow, it could be day after, it could be a couple of days later. So let's see what the week has for you. So abundance is what you're seeking. Abundance and money is what you're seeking. But there's a lot of things which are, there's a lot of hard work you're putting in, which you feel that is not giving you the results. Let us see. Let me clarify the Ten of Wands for you. It's basically burdensome emotion. Let us see what you're burdened about. Yeah, you're burdened about getting so those of you in love, um, decision will be taken and a lot of communication is coming towards you to get you to that abundant stage. An offer of love, offer of commitment is coming towards you. A lot of communication and a lot of love is being offered, from page to ace. Page of Pentacles is it's a very young energy wherein somebody is not sure, though the feelings are pretty deep. um, Decision was not being made. Now this week communication will come and some love offer will be made. Those in work, um, see, you were, like I said, you were seeking abundance in terms of money, career, and this week you will get an offer where you will be promised, some good package, some good money will be offered to you. This is what I'm getting this week. Let us see what the major arcana cards have for you. Wheel of Fortune, Changes, Hermit, and the Sun. So yeah, so this is a very nice. I think you will be in a state after this offer is offered to you, which definitely will come, thanks to the Wheel of Fortune appearing here. The Sun card is, coming to light, things coming to light. The Hermit would be, the state of mind which you will achieve this week, because you were quite restless in the past to get it. You were quite, brought down by these emotions, which I think you will be at peace this week because you will see things clearly. You will see a relationship clearly. You will see a prospect of the future clearly, and things will change for good. Let me get some love messages for you. You're being watched by loving eyes, so somebody is watching you and they will come towards you this week, is what I'm getting. What would love do? So whenever taking a decision, saying yes or no, just think from the point of view of love. Just think from the place of love. If they loved you, they still do. So yeah, if this person loved you before, they still do, is what universe is telling you. There is definitely love coming towards you. Let us see. Let's get one more universe message from this deck. One more universe message from this deck. Joy is the ultimate creator. So be happy. I think you will, like I said, you will achieve a state of mind which is quite contentment, joy, and nice things coming towards you this week. Congratulations. I'm already happy for you. Let's see how you can handle this week. By not being indifferent. By not being indifferent. So don't be indifferent to people around you. Don't be indifferent to emotions, Sagis. You have a tendency to just block the emotions. So don't do that this week. This is you have to come from a place of love, empathy, understanding, and you will definitely get joy, get success, and you will definitely get a lot of good offers, whether in love or in money or in business this week. So if you liked this reading, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.